Gusto mo apply tayong dalawa? Para ikaw yung partner ko. Ano? Deal? Kabsat Reynaldo? Ayan, hello. Ayan, si hello. Hello, Kat. Bigyan natin ng jacket si Kat. Legit man ito. Si Kat. Ayan. Kat, you have moderator. May mga in-check tayong kaibigan. Ayan. O, diba? Pansinin din natin yung mga ibang lahi. Si YouTuber din yung mga yan. Like Tilly. I commented on the first short I saw. Ayan. Thank you so much, Tilly. For your interesting NYT. So, you know, Filipinos as very loving YouTube. All of social platform. Yeah. Including yan, OFWs around the world. Thank you so much Telly, my friend. Thank you what is your channel, my friend? Si Kat. Ayan, Kat. Thank you so much, Kat. Kat, just watch a newly my short video, leave a comment. I will check you back in your channel, and I will subscribe you, my friend. My friend Kat. Ayan. And Telly is my channel. Ayan, Telly. So you are young, Telly. Your age is early interesting in the YouTube world. So just continue your vlog, my friend Telly. And advice to you, create a video, not too much longer. Just only 1 minute, 2 minutes. If you like it, short video, not less than 8 minutes and not more than 15 seconds. Minutes. Second, sorry. Second. Ayan. Not less than 8 seconds, not more than 15 seconds. 8 seconds, 15 seconds short video. What is this? Vertical? Like this, my live. Vertical o horizontal? Horizontal. Punta din dyan sa punta din yan sa live ko, Kat. Connected you Kat live, comment to your video, short video. Pumunta rin. Ayan. Kat is Tilly, my friend. My friend Reynaldo, can you connect to my friend Reynaldo? And I see he's also live streamer, vlogger. You watching sometimes driving a trailer truck. Me also, I love trailer truck driver. Someday I wish bago man lang magkaedad ng tuluyan, maranasan ko rin sa Reynaldo mag-truck trailer driver. Kahit 5 years lang. Maka-experience lang ba? Para naman wala na akong masabi sa buhay ko na nakahawak din ako ng trailer truck. Pero yung nasa dam site ako sa Baguio, sa Reynaldo, gwardiya ako noon. Actually, sa pagiging gwardiya ko, pasalamat ko dyan. Dahil dyan ako nakapag-aral maghawak ng manibela. Malikot ang kamay ko eh. Atras abante. Sabi sa akin nung empleyado, atras abante ka muna, atras abante. Ayan, magpraktisan mo yung truck natin dyan. Yan. Tapos, yun, ginawa ko. Madali lang pala ang truck. Magaan lang pala yung ng truck. By now, I need to go to bed. Ayan. Okay, Telly, thank you so much. After my live, I will check your channel, my friend Telly, ha? And also, Kat. Ayan. So,